let's talk about who's gonna be the Batwoman in the CW show, well, Batwoman. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to be notified of future updates. About a month ago, it was announced that Ruby Rose from Batwoman is stepping down from season 2. So after that, we thought that they would just recast Kate Kane, as in the comics Kate Kane is the Batwoman. Even though, as I said in my previous video, that the character could be totally reimagined, which might be for the better as they didn't do a very good job for the season 1. So about a day ago, casting call was leaked from the casting website that new character is coming up to take up the mantle of Batwoman, where the seeking call is as follows. Female, mid-late 20s, any ethnicity, Ryan Walder is about to become Batwoman. She's likable, messy, a little goofy, and untamed. She's also nothing like Kate Kane, the woman who wore the Batsuit before her. With no one in her life to keep her on track, Ryan spent years as a drug runner dodging the GCPD and masking her pain with bad habits. Today reformed and sober, Ryan lives in her van with her plant, a girl who would steal milk for an alley cat and could also kill you with her bare hands. Ryan is the most dangerous type of fighter, highly skilled and wildly undisciplined, an out lesbian, athletic, raw, passionate, fallible, and very much not your stereotypical all-American hero. AP series regular performers who identify as LGBTQ are encouraged to submit. So the same as Ruby Rose, but a new character. Caroline Drew, the showrunner, confirmed that they are not recasting the Kate Kane but actually inventing a new character, saying, "I'm inventing a whole new character. In her past she was inspired by Batwoman. She's going to take on the mantle and is completely maybe not be the right person at the time to be doing it. That's what makes it fun." Around 90% of the people who actually watched the show are saying that this is the worst idea, but in my opinion they ruined the Kate Kane character. This might actually be a good thing to do. So from all these leaks, it has been suggested that Vanessa Morgan from Riverdale might be interested in the character of Ryan Wilder, which might be a good career boost for her from that awful show, as she used to be the lead but her role has diminished over the years. They are saying Scarecrow might be involved in the backstory of Ryan Wilder, so we might be seeing that in season 2, but not sure about that yet. Also, the Batsuit could be replaced because Vanessa Morgan in this red wig, well, the contrast might not work.